My name is Kim. I'm working in the IT industry for 20 over years. I have a huge family of 4 kids, and I know my salary, even the increment in salary, won't be able to support or fulfill the dreams of my kids, including my dreams. So I think I need to look for something else to double the growth on top of my salary. I like the way that Cayden conducts the training. He keeps the class alive. I'm not a very academic person, so I will often fall asleep in class. Yeah, so I managed to keep awake for almost 95% of the whole course. I think the funnel on how to select a great company is the most helpful lesson, because not only it is based on statistics, it's based on proven numbers. Once you select companies according to the criteria, it actually helps you screen away all the other noise, and you can spend your time scrutinizing the remaining good companies and then choose what you want to invest. Of course, I will recommend anyone who is really serious about investing, because not only Cayden makes it very layman when it comes to explaining the whole world of investment jargon. It also taught us the framework on how to select companies, so definitely a good recommendation.